Look around you. The house you're sitting in, the bridge you drove over, the plane that just flew over your head. There is a 99% chance that they all exist because of one piece of code. Today, we're celebrating the heavyweights, the legends. Specifically, the program so good that its competitors didn't just try to beat it, they tried to become it. One rival even went as far as stealing the source code just to stay in the race. My name is Becky, and today I will be talking about the king of CAD, AutoCAD. Let's look at why this 40-year-old titan still runs the world. It's the 1980s. While most people were playing Frogger, engineers were looking at this screen. Now it looks like a museum piece, but the genius was in how it felt. See this command line at the bottom? This is the secret language of professionals. One hand on the keyboard, the other hand on the mouse. It's like conducting an orchestra. And check out this screen menu on the right. It was recursive, intuitive, and honestly, brilliantly designed. I'm calling it now. Autodesk, bring this back. It made beginners feel like wizards. By the 90s, AutoCAD had moved to Windows. We got toolbars, icons, and a cleaner look, but it never lost its soul. Then came the 2000s. We got tabs, separating model space from paper space. This was a game changer. Before this, beginners never used paper space. Now, it was right in your face. So, why has no one been able to beat AutoCAD? It's the secret sauce. Most drawing applications are rigid, but AutoCAD built an environment where tools can be applied independently. Think of it like Legos. In other programs, if you want to draw a line between two circles, you need a specific circle to circle tool. In AutoCAD, you just grab a line, snap a tangent drawing aid on both ends, and boom, you're done. It's a sandbox for engineers. It doesn't tell you how to draw, it just gives you the physics to do it. Today, AutoCAD lives in the cloud. The web version is so smooth it's scary. But where are we going next? The next leap isn't a new button, it's artificial intelligence. Imagine typing, "Hey, AutoCAD, design me a 3 bedroom house that meets New York City's building bylaws," and watching the walls, plumbing, and electrical lines draw themselves in seconds. We're moving from drawing software to agentic artificial intelligence architects. AutoCAD isn't just a program, it's the digital foundation of the modern world. It survived the death of DOS, the rise of the cloud, and even corporate espionage. But I want to hear from you. Are you a command line wizard, a menu dabbler, a ribbon baby, or maybe even a screen menu sorcerer? Let me know in the comments and tell me which legend of software I should cover next.